So this is by far my absolute favorite way for the ponytail. Hello, my name is Julianne, and as you can see, I have a lot of really thick hair. So traditional hair ties tend to break, get stretched out, or have you ever had that issue where 2 times just isn't enough for the hair tie, but you can't get it the 3rd time around? That is my hair. And then because I had to pull it so tight in that 3rd time, I would get headaches, okay? So here, enter the Pony O, all right? So I'm gonna show you my favorite way to style my hair with the Pony O. Okay, so what I start with, and I've already curled my hair, and this is day, I think 3 here. I like if I use hair that has gotten a little bit of grit to it, a little bit of hairspray, dry shampoo. So if you need to add some hairspray, sometimes if your hair is thinner up here, grab a little hairspray and just spray it around, all right? And that's gonna provide the grit for you. And then I add a little bit of a braid here. And you can put as much hair into this as you want or as little as you want. It doesn't matter. The Pony O is gonna hold your hair if you have a lot of hair or even if you have really thin hair. So it really works for all hair types, which I love, because that can't be said that's not true for regular hair ties. Okay, now I'm going to use just a little elastic band to hold this in place so I don't lose part of the loose braid. And you'll notice it's not a big defined braid. My goal is to create a waterfall look, and you want this volume, okay? So right now, because I have thick hair, it has a little bit of volume, but watch. So we're just going to open up the ponytail, stick it through, pull all the hair through, close it, push it behind. Guys, look at that. Look at all that body. So this is by far my absolute favorite way for the ponytail.